All right, French learners, let's put an end to one of the most common mistakes out there. Confusing bien and bon. Trust me, you're not alone. Everyone mixes them up at first. But after this, you'll nail it every time. So, here's the deal. Think of bien as the French way to say well and bon as good. Easy, right? But let's make it stick with some real-life examples. If you want to say you speak French well, you'd say je parle bien français. Bien describes how you do something. It's all about the action. Like il danse bien, he dances well. Simple. Now bon is for things or sometimes people that are good. Like ce gâteau est bon, this cake is good. Or if you want to compliment your friend's cooking, say c'est un bon repas, it's a good meal. But heads up, sometimes French loves to be tricky. For example, when you wish someone a good day, you say bonne journée, not bien journée. That's just how it is. Memorize those set phrases. Quick recap. Bien is for actions. How well you do something. Bon is about the quality of things or people. Mix them up and you might say something that sounds pretty weird in French. Now, go impress someone with your new skills. And if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button. See you next time. À bientôt.